would be the happiest one when you see your kids going back to school. That would happen very shortly. Welcome to Stock Market Institute Market Wrap-Up. This is Kishore here. The markets had a dull day today. Overall, it was a flat closing. Sensex closed at around 18.79 points negative, and the closing score was 53,140.06. Nifty on the other hand closed 0.80 points down, wherein it closed at 15,923.40. I think people, as I told you yesterday, were more busy on profit booking. However, let's wait and see how the market should be tomorrow. Mid cap and small cap were the ones which performed well in the market today. Apart from this, the big news for the day, the Zomato initial public offer has got subscribed by 38 times, and today was the final day. So for 2,743 crores, which has been the thing that they have planned to issue, there is a demand for 71.92 crores. That's a huge thing. So on the day of listing, probably you will see a bumper listing. However, I would recommend you to sell at least half of it so that you at least make some profits. Remaining half, you can see how it will further continue, based upon which you can take a decision. At the same time, Reliance, who is investing almost 75,000 crores in clean energy, would lead to a business which is as worth as $36 billion, is what experts say. So it's a good place where they're planning to invest. And yes, renewable energy is the future. That is what everybody has been seeing because of the subsidy on electric vehicles, the increase in the crude oil prices, and many more things. So it's a welcome move. I told you that kids can go to school. So Zydus Cadilla's vaccination, which will be available in India, probably government is seeking the court order, and if that happens, we'll have people below 17 years or 17 years to whatever the age they fix would get vaccinated, mainly the high school kids. At the same time, government has given the DCG has given permission to Bharat Biotech to go ahead and test their vaccination Covaxin on 2 years to 18 years kids. So that's again a good thing. If that vaccination gets approved, all the kids in your house can start going to school. Zydus Cadilla's vaccination is a 3-dose vaccination. So again, parents may not be happy with it. So Bharat Biotech has an opportunity there as well, wherein if they say that their vaccination is effective and people from 2 years to 18 years can take it up, so kids have opportunity to go back to school. Apart from this, Proton, which is a Bangalore-based startup, raises $9 million seed fund led by Matrix Partner as well as 021 Capital and Tanglin Venture Partners. The startup will use this funding to hire new employees, manpower, launch its product in the market as well as continue with product development. So it's a good thing. This company also has their presence in US, is what the report says. Voya has $660 million in the debt fund thanks to the COVID lockdown getting relieved, or they are reducing the lockdown and other things, because of which more people can travel. So this company has gone ahead and raised debt funds, and this money they'll be using to clear the old debts and to also develop their product technology so that more bookings can happen. Top gainer for the day is Divi's Lab, which went up by 3.26% and the same closed at 4,757.60. The top loser for the day, who was yesterday's gainer, is today's loser, HCL Technologies, which went down by 3.34% and the same closed at 1,005 rupee. Gold has gone down by 209 rupee for every 10 grams and the same is right now trading at 48,119 rupees. Silver has gone down by 551 and the same is right now trading at 69,130. USD has gone down by 4 paise and the same is right now trading at 75 rupee 39 paise. Euro has gone up by 4 paise and the same is right now trading at 88 rupee 55 paise. Petrol and diesel, luckily there is no change in the markets, but however in international markets, crude seems to be going down. So I think it's time for government also to reduce taxes or at least the prices of the fuel. Crude as such in international market has gone down. The same right now in India has gone down by 29 rupees and it's trading at 5,352 rupees. The technical chart shows a bit of strength in the market because market more or less closed flat. It has not gone in the negative direction, so it's a good thing. So let's wait and see how the market should perform tomorrow. However, I would recommend you to be safe, take vaccination and take proper care so that you and your loved ones are safe. So do like and subscribe the channel and share the videos amongst your friends so more people can get to learn and they can earn. Have a safe weekend. Take care.